Hey, welcome back to Moonstone RC Designs. Today we'll be doing the installation of the Notorious Outcast front bumper support. If you're like mine, you'll have problems with this front bumper support cracking. You can switch to an Arrma EXB bumper, a basher bumper, which works really good, but I like the look of the stock bumper, a lot cleaner. Just always like the cool look of it. So designed this bumper that has extra supports up against the case. So we'll get to that installation right now. Alright, so I'm going to be doing this on the Arrma Notorious 6S. It also is the same for the Outcast 6S. So we'll start at the bottom here and remove the two front screws. And if you want, you can loosen up the back screws a bit. Okay. Then you want to unscrew the two holding the bumper on and the two holding the brace on. Alright, now as you can see from this one, both the bowl holes are torn out and it's also cracked. It's also cracked over here where it bolts through. So I'm going to get rid of that. We'll save these two screws, the lower screws, because we're going to use them as the uppers now. We're going to take our new mount, slides in the same way underneath here. Okay. Turn her over. Line up the holes and install the screws back in.
Don't forget to tighten up your rear screws too.
Alright. Now on the bottom here, you'll get washers included, which are already in there, and 20mm socket head cap screws. So those will install on the bottom side. Alright, now install your bumper back in place. We're going to reuse the 20mm screws that were on the bottom before for the top. Oop. Okay. Now as you can see, now when it gets impact, has all this area to cushion it. So not only is it cushioning on the bottom, it's actually squeezing here. You see this whole thing flexing. So this can take a lot of energy out from an impact. Alright, and I purposely made this about 5 millimeters longer, so it does stick out a little bit more once the body's on, just so that it doesn't flex back and hit the body. So there you go. Put your pins on, head out bashing. Easy as that. Hope you enjoy the product. Any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to contact me at Moonstone RC Designs. Happy bashing.